everyone, it is I again. And guess what I'm gonna do? For my first time, I'm gonna try to put some chicken in the air fryer. Now, I'm not sure if I want it all in the air fryer, but what I do know is I would like a chicken sandwich like real soon. So I'm thinking maybe one or two pieces in the air fryer, and then the other two or three in the refrigerator for another time. I did marinate this, so it's very well seasoned. But I do want to put a little bit of something on the top, just to give me a little bit of special feeling, like I did something real nice. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna use this organic seasoning from Walmart, and I do know that original canola spray. No, we don't need buttered. I do know I need a little. I was gonna. You know what? I'm gonna just do these three right here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of herbs on it. And it is basically dry. It is basically dry, but I was learning a couple weeks ago, and it said when you put the oil on it, it gives it a little crunch. So I'm a little fan of crunch, so I'm gonna do that. And my air fryer. Oh, the air fryer was already heated, so I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna put my chicken in there. I'm a little funny, so please don't mind me. I know people say, "You just put those gloves on," but yeah, I don't like going around touching on everything and then put my food on it. You know what I mean? So don't mind me. I'm just gonna lay it on there. I got two trays, but I think this one will fit. Nope. Okay, let's put you down. Here. Oh, that's not the tray I need. This is the tray I need. Well, I might as well put that there. Oh! That's my two pieces of chicken I'm going to put in there. I'm almost positive that one may have to go in a little earlier. I'm going to put that in a bag and put it for later. Now, I'm going to put my air fryer on 14 minutes at 400. 14 minutes at 400. So that should be fine. And while that cooks, I'm going to pause my video because we don't need you to be hearing all this noise. I already cooked it on one side. It's still a little white, but I am going to turn it over on the other side to oh, it's cooked a lot more than it looks like it did. Oh, that smells delicious. Ooh. It doesn't look like it cooks so even. Hopefully that one will be better. I put that on 5 minutes. banana nut muffins. These are my favorites. I'm going to do myself a really good favor. I'm only making one packet. One packet. Half a cup of milk. Just in case you didn't notice, this is vanilla milk. I have a mixer, but I don't think I need a mixer today. I just like to mix it until I see no more brown, little dry pieces coming up. Boys and girls, I could eat this whole thing just like this. Now, I still don't believe I'm supposed to spray these silicone things, but I still don't know for sure. So I spray them. I washed my bowl, that's why it's a little wet. This muffin thing is for the air fryer. I'm kind of scared to try it in the air fryer, but that's what I purchased it for. Oh my goodness, I was in the Dollar Tree today. And this man was to the left of me down at the entryway, and all I keep hearing somebody doing is whistling. And I got nervous, because I'm a little scaredy cat. So I got nervous, and I turned around and I looked at him like he was crazy. And then something made me turn around, and there was a lady standing there. The lady had a smile on her face. So I started getting panicky. I hold my chest. I said, I can't breathe. I said, don't play around with me. I said, this stuff that's going on in the news right now. So he started laughing. And then the lady said, I'm so sorry. I apologize. He was meaning me. So I said, oh, okay. I said, and I couldn't help it. I was already, my chest all tight and everything because I got a little scared. And then the man started laughing, and he started talking about somebody that's in the news right now, talk about in high school. So I said, oh, yeah. And I said, oh, and he turned around and brought up somebody else's name. I said, yeah. And we were just in the aisle talking like we knew each other, but clearly, even though we never saw each other, we had to have been in the same area at the same time because we both knew certain things. So especially things that did not hit the news. So I was like, oh my God, you saw that, right? He was like, yeah, we already know. I was like, oh my goodness. So it was kind of funny. It was kind of funny, but this is definitely not. Okay, I'm gonna need more than 5 minutes on this. I'm gonna need that. That was 5 minutes going on. That was. I'm gonna put 9 minutes. This it needs more. So I'm gonna pause this and throw this in my oven now. But I think since I have a little bit of space, even though it's gonna overflood, I'm just gonna throw it in there because I don't actually want to put my little bit of mix down the drain. I got a little issue when it comes to wasting unnecessarily, so I'm just gonna let it overflood the muffin like I'm a gourmet chef. They got them big extra muffins. Oh, look at the little hole in there already. That means some air is in there. That should be enough. Just got that on 400. I'm gonna clean up. I truly don't think I'm gonna enjoy the chicken. It took I don't know. This is my first time, so I'm not gonna stress it. But I took a corner off, and it was definitely cooked. So I don't know. And I know being that I don't have any oh, it's 2 trays. That's right. I know being that I don't have any whatever on the top, I could expect it to be that way. But I get a little nervous with chicken, so I may not eat it. I'm not gonna lie. I may not eat it. I don't like the way this looks here. Although I know it just probably looks. Oh wow. Ooh. Mm. Mm-mm. Let's not talk about that. Let's not do that. Oh. Mm. Mm. Ooh. Oh wow. Ooh, it's juicy. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. I guess. Oh, you can see the moistness in there. Mm. Oh my goodness. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. Mm. I want to say, I'm making a sandwich. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. Oh, the seasoning is all the way through. Mm. I had this marinating maybe like 8 hours, maybe. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. This herbal seasoning is on the money. Mm. I'm so upset because I actually wanted a 10-minute sandwich. I was gonna put my chicken. I'm gonna do that. Oh my goodness, you can see all the moistness in there. Oh wow. My hand could barely hold a knife. I don't know. This one doesn't look too too fancy, but I'm definitely not leaving them in there because the last time I left them in there, they burned, they burned the crap out of my muffins. So I'm gonna take them out and it's gonna be like, or maybe I know what I could do. Cause this oven is already on 400. I threw it. I took it away. You know, I took it out, but it's still hot. So let me see if I can. Oh wow, can't get it out. But whew, good grief, that chicken was good, but I can't really eat chicken breast like that. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to go. Mmm, 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 mmm. I'm going in my room with my muffins, and I'm going to get me some vanilla milk out of my freezer and have me a snack. Mmm, 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 mmm. I have a tendency of eating hot food, but that's okay. Mm 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 mm. Yes, my muffin is cooked. Mm, mm, mm. Oh my goodness, my favorite.